Listen and read.
Fix the gate, please.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Yes. Fix the gate, please.
Okay, I can feed the ducks too.
Thank you.
Okay, now let's read and repeat.
Listen and read.
Fix the gate, please.
Fix the gate, please. Now you. Okay.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Yes. Fix the gate, please.
Yes. Fix the gate, please.
Okay, I can feed the ducks too.
Okay, I can feed the ducks too.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, now I'm going to read the green parts and you will read the yellow parts. Ready? Let's have the conversation. Fix the gate, please. Yes, fix the gate, please. Thank you. Now, you read the green parts and I'll read the yellow ones. Ready? You begin. Sorry, can you repeat that? Okay, I can feed the ducks too. Very good.